Hi guys, hope you're well. I'm here today to film my vanity tour. This is like my little way of easing into doing my apartment tour soon in the next few months, hopefully, when I feel like everything is sorted, even though I know with these kind of things nothing is ever done. But I do feel like my vanity area is looking like I want it to, so that's why I wanted to show it to you guys. My mornings are my zen time. I like to turn on a candle, like get ready, chill. I'm not a rusher in the mornings. I don't know if anyone else is like that, let me know down below. So yeah, I just wanted this place to be really bright and airy and have loads of mirrors and just a nice place for me to get ready in the mornings. So if you like it, let me know down below. I hope you guys all enjoy this video, and here's on to the tour. This is what my vanity is looking like at the moment. I'm super happy with it, and this is a new addition. I don't think I've shown you guys this, but this is my Pouf. It's from HomeSense, as always. This is also from HomeSense. Pretty much all this furniture here is HomeSense except the mirror. That was a vintage find. And yeah, I love this. I just need to get something for this wall. I've mentioned this a million times, but this is where I come and relax and do my makeup. And there is me. I promise I have cleaned this mirror but a million times, and I'm absolutely, utterly obsessed with this Pouf. It's just gorgeous. I'm really happy with it. It was perfect, and it was only £40. As you can see, I still need to get a plant pot for this plant, but she's doing really well. She loves being there, which is a little bit odd, but I think it's just because this room has so much light. Thought I would just show you guys this as almost like a bonus. This is my perfume and extreme hoop collection section. And like I said, I'm gonna get pictures for this wall because the blankness is a little bit too much for me. But you can see my favorite perfumes ranging from Brado, Moleculo 1 and 2. I've got some Chanel back there, some Gucci, and my favorite is Tom Ford. And then my Gisou hair products, which you guys have been asking me for a review situation, and my verdict is I like them. I wouldn't say I'm crazy about them, but the bottles are so gorgeous that I'm definitely going to be reusing the bottle even if I ever go for something else. I've got some MAC lippies, which there you go, there's some names over there, my glasses, a candle from HomeSense, my jewelry, and yeah, that's kind of it. But I'm really happy with this area as well. So this is my first drawer that I'm going to delve into. If you guys are wondering, this is just a Zara candle from Zara. It's the anthology one, and my little Buddha there is from HomeSense, like most things in my flat are. So I'm just going to open this up, and you can probably see it's a big mess. This is the only drawer that I don't have a divider for because it is kind of organized semi, even though it probably doesn't look like it. So I'm gonna start off with this side. I just have, everything has makeup on it. I haven't cleaned anything. It's dusty. I'm sorry, but this is like real life. I got these from Sephora ages ago, and they're just like fluff hair thingy majiggers that I use for my eyebrows, and they're like little razors. I have some probiotics that I'm trying to use up. I have some Nurse Jamie lip balm. I have loads of eye creams ranging from Mabel and Meg to Bobbi Brown Clinique, and I just kind of switch up between them. Then I have my La Roche-Posay CeraZinc. I just use this to set my makeup, and I do really, really enjoy it. I have some lip balm, which I just got from Bliss in some PR. My Chloe perfume, which I love Chloe. I need to start using this and keep it in my bag. So actually, I'm just gonna chuck this. I have all my Mabel and Meg skincare, guys. This video is not sponsored, but I actually do use the stuff that I talk about. This is almost like a medicine drawer as well. I have some eye ointment. I use this at night sometimes when my eyes get really dry, and it's really good. It just keeps my eyes moisturized. I have a really dirty mirror because I use this to do my makeup, but it's never clean. More Mabel and Meg skincare. Then I have the Clarins Golden Glow Booster Drop things that are literally like my little life savior. Really good for when you're going to the gym and just generally taking off your makeup because your skin looks nice and golden. I have tweezers, which I don't really love these. Scissors, which probably should be in a safer place. And all my contact lenses, because I am a contact lens wearer and I should really have a better place to have them, but I don't. And I just have some hairbands at the back, and these are my calcium tablets because I try and take my vitamins, but I'm not really good at it. I'm on to drawer number 2. This is my daily kind of base drawer type thing, and I really like this one. You will see once I take everything out, there are dividers in this, and the dividers are also from HomeSense. I think they are like for beauty as well, and I love them. You can probably see here, this is like my little foundation section, and then miscellaneous. So I'm going to start off with here and show you I've got a sharpener, some more hairbands, some eyelash glue because you always need eyelash glue. I've got my eyebrow pomade. Everything is dirty, like I said. That's from NYX. I've got my iconic London drops, the ones that I use most. These are in Original and Shine, so I love those. I wear them every day. Then I have some foundations. EX1 recently sent me some, so I've got that there that I need to try. I tried this in the past and I don't know if I got on with it, but I'm willing to try it again. Favorite foundations of all time, Estee Lauder Double Wear Light. This is in 3 and 3.5. I heard the guys, they're discontinuing this, and I went and bought like backups of it. So if that is the case, can you let me know, because I've been like freaking out about it and I'm like really scared. So I don't know, I've had some girls tell me no, some people tell me yes, I don't know. Then I've got my other favorite foundation. This is the Smashbox Studio Skin 15 Hour Wear. If you've got quite a yellowy undertone, they do loads of good shades in these foundations, and I never set this either, so if you've got oily skin, that's another thing to bear in mind. My shade in this is my non-fake tan shade, which is 2.1, and my fake tan shade, which is 2.2. I have some of my favorite lip products here in this little corner thingy here. You'll see hair everywhere as well. I've got some Huda Beauty, Kylie Cosmetics, Anastasia Beverly Hills, Milani, and this is Dose of Colours. These are like my favourite kind of shades. You can probably tell they all look the same. And this is my go-to gloss at the moment. My Shimura eyelash colours, which I think I've had for like legitimately like 5 years, and I thought the other day I lost them at work and I nearly cried, but I found them. I'm a mascara junkie, so at the moment these are the mascaras that I'm using. These two, if you ever wondered what my mascara is, because everyone always asks me about my lashes, these are what I use. So I use this first, and then I use this to volumize, and I just really liked the packaging of this, so I bought it the other day because that's the kind of girl I am. My favorite ever eyeshadow of all time, if you own this, I am very happy for you. If you don't, I'm really sorry. This is MAC Uninterrupted. If you're gonna focus, this is like the good old days. There you go. This is the color. It looks like nothing, like literally looks like dirt, but it's the best color ever, and I don't think they make it anymore, but loads of brands do colors similar to this. So if you're ever wondering what I'm wearing, this is probably it. I have my favorite eyeliner. This is the Kat Von D. They have a tattoo one and then another one. I just kind of use either or, whichever one I have. That's a little travel size that I got given. And then I have my concealers. I need to get some more of the Tarte Shape Tape, and this was in the color Light Neutral. But I recently saw that Makeup Revolution brought this out, so I got it. And it's not bad. It's not, I still think Shape Tape is better, but if you are like, can't get that and it's a bit frustrating, try this. I got the colors C3 and C5 and I kind of mixed them. And yeah, I like them considering the price. It cost me £8 for both. It's not bad. My favorite bottom lash mascara, Clinique Bottom Lash. My Benefit Precisely, my brow pencil, which I'm kind of gone back to using pomades like this recently. I've got a tweezer. This is from Iran for sure. And I've got the L'Oreal Brow Plumper, which I use for my brows. And then I've just got two ridiculously grimy Huda palettes. This is the warm one. This is what my stuff looks like in the end, guys. I'm not even going to lie about it. So that's the warm one. I do use these a lot. And this is the cooler one. You can kind of see how the dividers are. I'm losing my voice again. I think a lot of people think I use a lot of makeup, but literally it's just foundations, mascaras, a few eyeshadows, concealer, and that's it. This is like my powder, bronzer, liquid highlighter drawer, and I'm just going to start off this side. These are my liquid or stick highlighters. So I've got Iconic London, Marc Jacobs and Becca. These I just use underneath my foundation. I don't really use them over it. Then I have my most used MAC blushes. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and they just fit perfectly into this little thing. And when I'm doing my makeup, I just kind of do this and I can see the colour. But I've got Harmony, which is my most used, over here, and then I use like Gingerly, Pinch Me. Those are some of my favourites over there. I've got my Laura Geller Gilded Honey, some Rimmel Stay Matte, some Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess. I never go without that. That's my favourite bronzer of all time. Mary Luminizer, which I've gone through about 9 of those because they always break. I've got some Jouer highlighter, which is one of my favourites. This is in the colour Citrine, but it's all shattered inside, and that's why you see there's like powder flying, as you can see. powder flying everywhere. And now I've got glittery hands, so that's good. Then I have my absolute most favourite dose of colours highlighters from the, look how shiny they are, from the Katie and Desi collection in Fuego and Mirror Me. So that's, I think, Fuego. Mirror Me is probably my favourite. I love those. I just feel so bougie when I hold those. And then I've got the Ben Nye Banana Powder, the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow, which I love. And then I've just got the Charlotte Tilbury, this is their airbrush powder, airbrush flawless finish in 2 medium. I do like changing up my highlighters. That's one thing that I'm obsessed with, so that's why there's quite a lot in this drawer. And that's kind of it makeup wise. And then on here, I just keep my makeup brushes. So I got this from Muji, I think, this clear thing, and I just keep my makeup brushes, and these are all my lip pencils and also some hair stuff, which is gross, and I do really need to desperately wash my brushes. But that's kind of it. That's my vanity table, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and if you give it a thumbs up, hopefully it will encourage me to do that flat tour soon, because I just need to, I feel like it's almost there. I just need to get like pictures and that kind of stuff. So I hope you guys are all doing really well, and I'll see you all very soon.